Imagine growing your salad and your sushi in the same system. Picture a setup where your greens and fish coexist, creating a sustainable and efficient food source right in your home. Welcome to Aquaponics, where fish and plants live in harmony, working together to create a balanced ecosystem, and your home becomes a mini eco-farm. This system not only saves space but also brings the joy of gardening and fish keeping into one seamless experience. A hydroponic fish tank, also called an aquaponic system, isn't just clever. It's an innovative way to grow your own food and raise fish simultaneously. It's nature's feedback loop, right in your living room. The fish waste provides nutrients for the plants, and the plants help to filter and clean the water for the fish. There are so many benefits to this: sustainable food production, water efficient, space-saving, chemical-free growing, fun plus educational. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh produce and knowing exactly where your food comes from. Whether you're a curious beginner or a green-thumb genius, here's a tank for every level. From simple starter kits to more advanced setups, there's something for everyone. Back to the Roots water garden labeled Beginner. This kit is perfect for those just starting out, offering an easy introduction to the world of aquaponics. Penplax, Betta Tank. Compact and cute. Ideal for small spaces, this tank adds a touch of nature to any room. Aquasprouts Garden Mid-Level Marvel. For those ready to take their aquaponics to the next level, this system offers more space and versatility. DIY plus Finex Filter, custom build for experts. For the true enthusiasts, this setup allows for complete customization and optimization. Before diving in, gather these essentials. Having the right equipment is crucial for a successful aquaponic system. Fish tank, grow bed. These are the foundation of your system, providing the space for your fish and plants to thrive. Water pump, air stone. These components ensure proper water circulation and oxygenation, keeping your fish healthy and your plants well nourished. pH plus ammonia test kits. LED light. Monitoring water quality and providing adequate light are essential for maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Let's talk cast and crops. Choosing the right fish and plants is key to a thriving aquaponics system. Fish tilapia, goldfish, catfish, koi, trout. These species are well suited for aquaponics, each offering unique benefits and challenges. Plants, lettuce, basil, tomatoes, spinach, strawberries. These plants thrive in aquaponic systems, providing a variety of fresh produce. Pro tip: match water temp to fish and plant needs. Ensuring the right temperature is crucial for the health of both your fish and plants. Here's how to go from empty tank to edible ecosystem. Follow these steps to set up your own aquaponic system. Place tank. Add grow bed. Fill with water. These initial steps lay the groundwork for your system. Add substrate, add fish, plant seeds, plug-in system. With these steps, your aquaponics system comes to life, ready to start producing food. You just built a food machine. This system will provide you with fresh produce and fish, all from the comfort of your home. Keep your system clean, balanced, and fed. And it'll do the same for you. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy and productive aquaponic system. Prune plants, feed fish, check pH, harvest strawberries. Quick tips: don't overfeed, watch pH, change water weekly, celebrate the harvest. These tips will help you maintain a thriving system. Even ecosystems need your help. Avoid these rookie mistakes and you'll be golden. Proper care and attention will ensure your system remains healthy and productive. Algae explosion. Too much light. Too much light can lead to algae growth, which can harm your system. Sick fish, dirty water. Keeping the water clean is essential for the health of your fish. Wilting plants, low nutrients. Ensure your plants are getting the nutrients they need to thrive. Turn your countertop into a self-cleaning garden. Grow your food, know your fish. This compact system is perfect for small spaces and offers the benefits of aquaponics on a smaller scale. Welcome to the future of gardening. Embrace this innovative approach and enjoy the rewards of a sustainable and efficient food production system. Like, subscribe, and visit urbanhouseandgarden.com for your full starter guide. Join our community and start your aquaponics journey today.